Do you ever have a hard time with things and maybe need someone to talk to?
Meredith,
Yeah?
do you need someone to talk to?
Yeah. Could you talk to me? When you talk to me, when you look at me, it's like you really see me.
I do see you, Meredith. Can we talk about this a little farther outside? I mean, we can talk to Dr. Park if you'd like.
Come on, Mr. Barth, don't blow me off the guidance counselor.
I'm not. What can I do?
I don't know. There's nothing for me to hold on to. You said it yourself, we were born into this. There's nothing left. Nothing but being aware of how fucked up it is. It's not enough, I won't last.
Meredith, there are some kids out there just like you. I know that there may be few in number, but like you, they feel so much, they're sincere. They feel as much as you, there's so much anger and passion and frustration, totally surrounded by mediocrity. And casually embraced by the many. I know it's lonely when you're struggling to find the beauty, when it seems like there's so little of it. But I have to say, it's always been that way.
Mr. Barth, do you like me?
Of course I like you, as much as I can.
Please don't push me away.
I can't. I can't interact with you like this. I just can't. I have to follow the rules.
You said that you liked me. Please just hold me and tell me everything's gonna be okay.
Meredith, I can't, please. I want to, but I just can't. Meredith, wait! Please, Meredith!
What is she doing in here?